I'm Haikel and my partner Wilastri Ayunda. So we have make a dialogue video. So check it out, okay? Good afternoon. Where are you flying today?
Los Angeles.
May I have your passport, please?
Ah, here you go.
Are you checking any bags?
Just this one.
Okay, please place your bag in the scale.
I have a stopover in Chicago. Do I need to pick up my luggage there?
No, it will go straight through to Los Angeles. Here are your boarding passes. Your flight leave from gate 58 and it will begin boarding at 3:20. Your seat number is 26E. Okay?
Ah, okay. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Good afternoon, sir. Where are you flying to today?
I will go to Los Angeles, okay?
May I have your passport, please?
Here you go.
Are you checking any bags?
Just this one.
Okay, please place your bag on the scale.
I have to stop over in Chicago. Do I need to pick up my luggage there?
No, it will go straight through to Los Angeles. Here are your boarding passes. Your flight leaves from gate 50A. And it will begin boarding at 3 past 20. Your seat number is 26 and E.
Ah, okay. Thank you.